Oh, that was weird. Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. We made the A main with the TLR 22 5.0 DC Elite with the battery in the furthest most rear position and the brass C block. So we're going to see how we do in this A main race. I'll be starting from very last because I made the bump up from the B.
Lesson 5.
A main, October 28th.
For all the bragging rights for the rest of the week, DQ is Jordan, who's up front right now. He's keeping the pieces together. See some nice passes by the rest of you. Be sportsmen, be bump someone, lay off up in your marshal, ahead of you, keep going. We have our full group within a second or so from one another. Leaders at front bottom, second, third, fourth, fifth, fourth. Really all not that far apart. Oh, Joel on mistake. He's on his roof right to the rescue. Remember guys, to grab the buggy, not the body when you flip it. Two hands if you can. First. Second. Third. Oh, we got a battle for the two. Our leader just made a mistake. That's the second and third catch up. Noah has a position, but the guards snuck it back. A battle for the podium is pretty close. They're all coming up to the finish line now. Here comes our leader by now. Second and third by now. Noah on top of one another. Noah just made a mistake. Stuck it underneath the pipe. That lets Sean Green go by.
And that's going to put me firmly in
now. It gives a bit of room for Jordan on front. We got 3 minutes and 25 seconds to go. Our leaders are put by now. Last time it was 2 seconds. We give up one now. Yeah, 5 seconds. Then we got Sean and Noah. Bam! Right into the back of Sean's wheel. He flies off the other side of the track. Mark the rescue. Watch your feet. You had it right in the middle of the track.
First place with the 16 last 5 laps in 2018.
So our leaders are by the line now. But watch out, JJ. Yeah, this is JJ. That's the leader behind you. Thank you.
First place with the 16 last 5 for 3
You got 2 minutes and 45 seconds to go. Jordan is up front. Dar, Sean, Noah, Joel, and JJ. Joel is going by the line now. Leaders right behind you, Joel. Our second place car is going slow as Dar. He is 8.9 seconds behind on Jordan. Then we got Greener. Only 2 seconds behind Dar. Got Noah in the 4, Joel in the 5, and JJ in the 6. Oh, Joel's on the roof. That's where JJ catch up a little bit.
Nope.
So
or not.
10 seconds. So another second and a half Jordan would be on that lap. Also, Sean Green now is right on our second place car of 40. With some good laps.
That was just messy. Oh, that was weird.
Jump now into the split range. That's our battle right now, going by the line, EQG double triple. You know, 1 minute and 40 seconds to go. Our leader just went by. His fastest lap is 20.3. Dara has a 20.9. Sean is 21.1. That's like so close. Oh, Sean Green put his fastest lap right there. Time with Dara's fastest lap. These guys are fast. We're going to get 15 seconds to go. Dara's in the 2, Sean's in the 3, Noah's in the 4, Joel in the 5, and JJ in the 6. Our battle is still with Dara and Sean Green. Watch out, Joel. Dara and Green were separated by 1.4 seconds last time around the clock. Got 45 seconds to go. Jordan's still way out front, 12.4 second lead. Got Dara in the 2, Sean in the 3, Noah in the 4, Joel in the 5, JJ in the 6. Ooh, little bubble from Sean. That gives a little bit of space for Dara. 12.4 and 13.3 seconds back from Jordan.
Take it.
3.4 seconds back from Gara. There's 15 seconds to go on the clock. Jordan leads the last lap. 10 seconds to go on the clock. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Whoa! What a finish.
You pass the line, you'll be done. Green, you're done. JT, you're done.
Okay.
Joel, you're done.
Whoa, Joel was right on my heels, so I was almost a full lap down from everyone in last place.
Jordan Miles takes this with a 15.56. Gara takes second. Green takes third. That's our podium. Everyone's done.
TLR bringing up the rear. Alrighty guys, that was 2-wheel drive A main. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you're new around here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.